among the team when you got the news and kind of take this through that process a little bit. Among the team when you got the news and kind of when you got the news and kind of take this through that process a little bit, if you could.
I mean, it was a little shock for sure. We had obviously paying attention to the latest current events and kind of all the conversations around what should be done in terms of the outbreak.
You guys keep asking, see Stephen. Stephen is on a FaceTime with Bryant, who is our best friends, the godfather of our children, but also they work together as well. So they working on stuff too, okay? We're working on a master plan, trying to help wherever we can. That wasn't intentionally rhyming, and it just happened, and it was awesome. But I will be in touch, people. Stay safe, stay smart, keep yourselves informed, drink water, take your vitamins, and pray without ceasing. Love on each other, and that's it. Peace out. Thanks for listening. I'm about to post that poll, so go vote. See y'all next time.